Hey guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the first alert fire extinguisher that's perfect for home use. I love it because it is compact. It fits right in the closet where my brooms are. Easy to reach, get it, pick it up, and quality metal. Turn it all around. It's also rechargeable. Once it's used, a certified professional can recharge it for you. I like it because it gives you the instructions right on the front. So if you're trying to put out whatever fire may ensue, it has the for wood, electrical, paper, all of that. Read the instructions really quickly, get it ready, and you're good to go. So it also tells you about the maintenance all in here. So you really don't even have to have the pamphlet to the side. You can hang it, all of it. It gives you the caution. It tells you exactly what it does. Trash, wood, paper, liquids, electrical equipment. I would say this is a great fire extinguisher to have. Thumbs up.